All right, this is a test install. These are the only parts that have gaskets on them right now. And the nuts, where possible, are only minimally tightened for this video. All right, so if we take it back, like that seems fine, that seems fine, this seems fine. Get to the cross member. This part is tilting down, but we'll get to why that is in a minute. Here is one of the OEM hanger mount points, which would normally go to this, which is pulled from the OEM exhaust. So you can see there's a bit of an offset here. Additionally, where the mufflers connect, which is right here, obviously this isn't a perfect fit, but because this is tilted down, because ultimately it's too long, the OEM bracket and mounting hanger rubbers are here. And on this side too. This hanger obviously isn't doing anything. And there's also normally a hanger point here as well for the OEM muffler. There is an additional mounting point over on this side, which obviously there's nothing for that over here, but it is there for reference. So my guess seems to me like if I just shortened by a few inches, any of these straight points over here, somewhere in this area, that it would be the correct length.